Top 10 ways to enjoy eggplants. 10. Yes, you can curry it. Cut eggplant into cubes and add to your favorite curry sauce and simmer until tender. Serve over brown basmati rice. 9. Stir fry. Add eggplant to your stir fry early on, along with other hard vegetables, so it cooks thoroughly. 8. Baba ganoush. As a snack, serve baba ganoush with pita chips or veggies. In a sandwich, fill a pita with baba ganoush, mixed greens, and tomatoes. 7. Roast, peel, and serve over pasta. Roast a small eggplant. Cool. Peel and cut into cubes. Add to tomato sauce with fresh basil. Serve over pasta. 6. Eggplant pizza. Top a pizza with cubes of eggplant. Add tomatoes, black olives, and red onion. Delicious. 5. Bread, bake, and serve. Slice eggplant into rounds. Dip into beaten egg whites, then in bread crumbs. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese, and bake until tender. Serve on rolls with mixed greens, tomato slices, and black olives. 4. A new kind of kebab. Add a little something new to your kebabs. Cut eggplant into cubes and add along with your usual kebab favorites. 3. Appetizing appetizers? Absolutely. Eggplant bruschetta will be a hit at your next party. 2. Eggplant lasagna. Slice an eggplant lengthwise into thin slivers and use in lasagna in place of noodles. 1. Ratatouille. Ratatouille is a great way to enjoy eggplant and other summer vegetables. Serve with crusty bread for a delicious meal.